Hey guys, welcome back. We're on the screen here today. We're going to do a quick tip on KdenLive. We are going to do a title page, basically is what they call it. So if you're in iMovie, normally you just want to add some text, say, you said something wrong, you want to correct it, whatever. I'm going to grab a video, I'm going to drag it in, right, get it on my timeline, and I'm going to show you. This took me a minute to figure out. I'm used to iMovie. Basically what you want to do, you want to be in your project bin, you want to be in edit mode, all that good stuff, and make sure you guys are seeing what I am seeing. I think we're good here. So when you got this on the timeline and you want to you got everything on the timeline ready to go and you're in edit mode, you can right click up here and you can do add title clip, and what that brings up is basically this piece right here. So we can just click in here and we can type oops, sorry, I'm on the wrong keyboard. I messed up. This is what, hit enter, I should have said. Can you tell I've done this before? Now, there's another way. Well, let's just do this. And let's do create title. And now we have this up here. We can drag it down to our timeline, and then we can make this as long as we want. So if we scroll over to it, there's our words. Now you can edit this title. Let's just double click it, and you can change the color, you can change the font, you can make it bigger, all kinds of things right here within this. Like say we want to highlight all of this, and then we can change the position also, just so you know. And we can move, we can add text. Here's our location, all kinds of things you can do here. So just a quick tip, you can get in here and play with this and see how you want to make yours, but that's how we get that text in, just like we do in iMovie, and just make it happen. Again, this is on the upper layer above the clip, so the clip will show behind it with that transparent layer on the text. So anyway, quick tip guys, that's all we have for today. We'll see you next time.